April 2024, I went through a lot of changes, but before I strip down, let's take a look at some of the things I've done.
Hey guys, so I'm actually moving out of my apartment that I've been in since June last year, and everything is like all over the place right now because I already moved out a lot of things. I have a pallet bed, and yeah, I already moved out the mattress, and I have a lot of plants and a lot of stuff. I already cleaned out the cupboard, and I'm now about to take down my art, and then I realized that I'm not recording, and I'm supposed to be recording. This is what the piece that make me remember, hey, why are you not recording this? So yeah, this is it for this miraculous valley of so yeah, this is it for this miraculous valley apartments, and now I'll be moving to somewhere else and then moving to somewhere else, and hopefully I'll get
Since the
to
move to this place,
record all of that
I
to you
have
and
this
let you all know
beautiful
what I'm
sunrise
going
to
to be
wake up
doing.
to every day. I won't say where right now because I'm staying with a family member and I want to respect their privacy. I met a lot of artists and I've seen a lot of art. I've performed.
My name is Ian Seven. I'm a singer and I want to perform some original songs. Tell me how this thing grows. Tell me how the river flows. I be seeing hummingbirds. Don't know why, only Jah knows. Don't know
But most
why, only
importantly,
Jah
I
knows.
bonded with nature. Anyway, back to the beach. The beach is my second favorite place to be. My first favorites are rivers, of course, but I truly enjoy beach days. And that's it for this vlog. Hopefully, I will be doing more of these soon. But until then, check out more of my videos and stay tuned for more.